Hey guys, welcome back. And this is not a regular video that you would see on this channel, but today I'm going to inform you guys about a very major problem with the new AirPods Pro. Yes, I know the AirPods Pro are amazing, the sound quality is very good, the noise cancelling feature is amazing as well, but there's a major but, guys. So I'm going to share with you guys one major serious problem with the new AirPods Pro. So I used this AirPods Pro for about a month, and then all of a sudden I found out that the left AirPod was not working. So I tried every possible way to disconnect it and then reconnect it. Tried resetting the AirPods, but I couldn't find a solution. With just one earbud, it's not worth it. The sound quality is not good, the noise reduction feature, you can't experience it. So yes, I was pretty much frustrated, guys. I tried every possible way, and then I tried to find the solution. I couldn't find it because this new AirPods Pro is so new that no one might have experienced this problem with the AirPods Pro. So I thought of booking an appointment at the Apple Store. So the nearest Apple Store to me is the Broadway in Sydney. So I booked an appointment online, and then I went there and they tried to look at it, but as usual, they replaced my left earpod with a new one. I'm pretty much happy in that regard, but so it's a very serious issue, guys. Apple is doing a major production with this new AirPods Pro, and these are going to be the default AirPods for everyone who owns or who uses an iPhone or an iPad. So I don't know if they're gonna fix it in future updates, or it's just a major hardware issue. I don't know. So let's hope that this happened with me only, and none of any other people experience it. Just hope for that. But if any of you guys have experienced this problem, do let me know in the comment section down below, and definitely we can look out for the reasons of the failure, of the faults. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.